Today I'm going to show you how to do Suryanamaskaras. Suryanamaskara comprises of 12 asanas. It also involves breathing techniques, but in this video I'm going to show how to do Suryanamaskaras, especially for beginners. How to prepare yourself for Suryanamaskara practice. Where to practice? It's ideal to practice in fresh air outside, but if you're practicing inside your room, make sure the room is ventilated and free of dust. When to practice Suryanamaskaras? It's ideal to practice early mornings or late evenings, as Suryanamaskaras is sunsalutations. But you can practice anytime during the day, but make sure your bowels are empty. Do not practice after a heavy meal. What to wear during your practice? Always try to wear loose clothing so that it doesn't obstruct your movement. How many rounds you should practice? In the starting, practice for 5 rounds, slowly increase it to 7, and once you master in your practice, you can do up to 12 rounds easily. So what do you need for practicing Suryanamaskaras? All you need is a mat. As I said before, all you need is a mat like this. So how to start your practice in the mat? Always start your practice at one end of the mat. Do not start it in the middle, because if you start in the middle while you're practicing, your legs will be out of your mat. So to avoid that, always start in the one end of the mat. Let's see how to do it. To do Suryanamaskaras, first bring your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Suryanamaskara comprises of 12 steps. Let's see how to do it. In the first step, slowly raise your hands. In this position, slowly give a backward bend. 2. Slowly bend forward and try to touch your hand to the side of your feet. Do not bend your knees. In the third step, take one leg backwards. Your palms and your other feet should be in the straight line and look forward. In the fourth step, take both feet backwards. In this position, the whole weight of your body is on your palms and your toes. Straight line. In the fifth step, bend your knees and try to touch your forehead to the floor. In the sixth step, bend your hands, bend your elbows, your forehead, your chest, your knees and your toes are on the floor. 7. Here the weight of your body is on your palms and your toes, and look upwards. 8. 9. You're repeating the third step here. 10. 11.
12.